Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to buy Tenshi, alright? I've seen it around Twitter and stuff, and they thought, why not making a video about how to buy this coin, alright? So as you can see, here are the markets, and the one I'm familiar with is Uniswap, and you can buy or sell it using WETH, alright? WETH. So if you don't know how to get WETH, it's super simple and easy. Just check my previous video about how to wrap or unwrap your Ethereum, and you'll get it done easily. All right, and then you need to go to Uniswap, go to app.uniswap.org and connect your wallet to Uniswap. Go and select the wallet that you have, next, and connect, and we are connected. Okay, now choose WETH, and here the balance of the WETH will appear in here. You can click on it and it will automatically select the maximum WETH that you have on your wallet, or choose the amount that you want. Okay, get to here and select the token. In our case here it's Tenshi, so type in Tenshi and choose this one. Okay, the V2. Okay, import, and click import again, and here you are. Okay, so as you can see, we have zero balance in here, and just click in the balance of WETH that you have and it will automatically fill in here, or the amount that you want to buy. So let's say 1, and you can see here it will show us the amount of Tenshi that we will be getting for this price here, and then click swap and you'll automatically buy Tenshi. Okay, and now Tenshi will appear on your wallet. Okay, so this is it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.